Until yesterday, as of the time of filming, only an RTX 30 series GPU was only in my dreams. But yesterday, that all changed. Say hello to my RTX 3080 Ti that we got by camping at Best Buy for over 24 hours. And I think it's about time to install this in my dream PC to make it my dream PC instead of that 780 that's currently in there. I'm really excited for this. Hi, I'm Justin for Random Tech Videos, and before I get into this video, please don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to this channel. With that out of the way, let's get into it. I'm here on the ground because I'm lazy and I don't feel like setting up a table to work on. So I'll just be doing it right on the ground here. And I put my graphics card back in the box for some reason, so here it is. But I first have to get out the old graphics card. And here my old graphics card, the GTX 780 that a friend gave me, has successfully been removed from the system. It only gets worse from here though, because NVIDIA recommends using two PCIe cables and not using a split one to power their 30 series card. So I'm going to have to put in another cable and then connect this to the adapter that NVIDIA includes. Don't worry, I've ordered a replacement cable that will be directly to the 12-pin adapter on the RTX 3080 Ti. So it's not permanently that I'll have to do this. I've flipped my case over and oh no, my cable management mess. Don't worry, I'll re-cable manage once I get the new cable. But I have to take the power supply out now. Since this is a modular power supply, I have to connect this cable to it. I don't know how I'm going to do it because, as you can see right here, how am I supposed to get to these connectors? I'll try somehow. So that's connected to the power supply. I have to get the power supply back in somehow. Don't know how I'll do that. Now just so you know, I know this... Whoa, my camera almost fell over. But so just so you know, I'm not worrying about the cable management because I'll be redoing it anyway when I get my replacement cable. This is just temporary. So if I just stuff it in here, that's fine. And I just force down the cover over all the cables under here. That's how I do it. Flip the case back over. I know this looks terrible. Just look at this. Look at this cable and how it's coming through. Don't worry, it'll be fixed. For now, I'm just going to have to use this 12-pin adapter that no one likes. This adapter is so ugly because my PSU has these cables hanging off, so it's literally just going to be like this in the case with these hanging off. Good thing I ordered a replacement cable that goes directly from the modular PSU to this 12-pin adapter. I mean connector. But now for the moment of truth. Will this graphics card actually fit in my system? I'm about to find out. Here we go. The RTX 3080 Ti going in my ultimate sleeper PC build. Okay, it's slotted in the PCIe slot. It should click any second now. And I'd say that's in. Now to connect this power connector that definitely doesn't affect the airflow of this fan. I'm kidding. It does affect the airflow. As I slot this power connector in right here, the airflow of this fan here, oh no, it's getting the blades. I'm going to really have to try to re-cable manage this right away. How is this connector even supposed to go in? It doesn't, okay, there it goes. Seriously, NVIDIA, who thought this was a good idea? Seriously. Okay, well, I'm going to turn the cameras off right now and work on this for a while after I just quickly install these PCIe slot cover screws because I need to hold the graphics card in place. But it's probably going to take me about half an hour trying to get these cables so that they don't get in the fan blades. And oh no, I just dropped a screw. How am I ever supposed to get it out? Okay, it appears like having these cameras on interferes with my work on this computer, so I'll get back to you once it's in, if it's in. As you can see right now, this does not look very good at all. You can really see this and how the cables are like this. Oh wow, I almost broke my case. Okay, look, This is really hindering the little airflow that I already have. This is not good. But it'll have to do until I can get my proper long-term solution, the replacement power cable. But anyway, it's fully installed, so I guess we just need to plug everything into it and see if it still turns on. I wouldn't be surprised if I messed up everything to the point where the computer won't even turn on. Right now I'm plugging in all the cables to see if it'll still turn on. Right now I'm about to press the power button and let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay, probably I just forgot to flip the power supply back on. Okay, let's try again. Oh, okay, it's turning on. I have the card lights up. Okay, the fans are spinning. Do we get any display signal? I'm looking right here to see if we get any display signal. Okay, the card's lit up again. Looks like we're about to get some display signal. Okay, we have display. Okay, we're booting into Windows. I can't believe this is working. So apparently everything's set up and works correctly. I still need to do a lot of setup and fully put my computer back together. But there's no reason to show that on camera. So I have an RTX 3080 Ti finally! And can't wait to use it in editing this video, for example. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Please give this video a like. Please comment. Please subscribe. And until next time, goodbye.